This is the Gerber GDC Zip Light Plus. It's model number 31-001745. What this is a little EDC tool that attaches to your zipper. It can be the zipper of your duffel bag or your jacket, just anywhere that you can have this thing close by. The end attachment on this tool actually disconnects just like that right there, and you can use the tool and then reattach it to your jacket or your duffel bag. It's got a built-in Momentary on flashlight in the end of it, which makes it really useful. You never know whenever you're going to need to light up a dark space. And it also has a bottle opener built into it. So two functions with this tool, in addition to being able to disconnect quickly from your jacket or your duffel bag. I'll try this little thing out right here. So, I'm trying to hold the camera and this tool at the same time, so I probably better squeeze on my feet. There we go. Whatever it takes, right? This is the Gerber GDC Zip Light Plus. Hope you guys like it. It's a nice, inexpensive little tool that may come in good handy for you.